What's up, YouTube? No Limit Jalen. How y'all doing today, man? It's a good sunny day. In traffic like always. Today we got the video shoot going on, so you know I had to go get fresh. I wish I would have got the cut at that house, but you know a nigga looking fresh when the old school told a nigga he looking good in the food store. But yeah, we got the video shoot today. Gonna go drop my mom off some food right now. And after that, I'll probably go get a car wash because this bitch is dirty. It's a burden that gave me the business already, so got to go get the wash and get ready to shoot this intro for the channel. You know what I'm saying? All types of shit, man. But yeah, that's what we're really on today. That's what we got going today. We shooting for the video. Shit may get crazy later on, man. Just stay in tune, and I'll see y'all then. Alright, we just made it to the car wash. Just made it. I'm finna get the detail all the way. Yeah. This is that motherfucker rumble. Yeah. Getting ready for the shoot that we got going on later. So you know we gotta get that bitch clean. She's dirty right now. Real dirty. We're gonna clean up. She getting cleaned up right now. Told her to be gentle with my baby now. Look at that bitch. That motherfucker is bad. Yeah, that bitch is bad. I don't know what it is. I think it was just a regular 5.0. I thought it was a regular 5.0, but that bitch is loud. I wish I would have got him before he did that pass, though. Let's see if we can get him on the street. Let's see if we can get him on the street right here. Let's see. The hook is in the traffic today. We're gonna try to get a pull from him. I tried to catch him before, but I couldn't catch him. See if we can get it right now. Try to get closer up on it. Oh yeah. Yeah, he nice. He nice. Yeah, there she is right there. Looking good. Let's go around the back. That's really one that I wanted to see the back side of her. Man, that's what the dirtiest at. Definitely. This is that rumble in the jungle. That thing is good. And they air pressure the air out. Yeah, that bitch clean. I wish I could have got a wax though. They said they don't offer that service at the moment, so I should have left and found one that waxed the car too. But it is what it is. Shit, we're gonna be back later, you know what I'm saying? Getting ready for the shoot now. Time to go home. Time to go home, put that shit on for this video right here, you know what I'm saying? Intro gonna be the truth. Shit, y'all just wait on it. B6. Shut up.
picture of a nigga taking a picture of a nigga taking a picture. 3 niggas taking a picture at the same time. Pop your shit in this hoe. What you got going on, dude?
Oh shit, alright, you know, like I said, man, got the motherfucking video shoot coming for the intro. You know what I'm saying? Had to take care of all the lives, detail this bitch today. Shit, now we finna shoot that intro for y'all boys. Let y'all know how the fuck we coming on the channel and shit like that. That hoe should be ready for maybe the 5th video that we shoot on the channel. It should be here by that time. Yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? We just gonna get some live shots in today. Get that shit rolling, get the ball rolling on the YouTube and shit, man.
Scene footage, you feel me?
I said we got enough footage. I've been recording all day.
Behind the scenes shit. High speed, take on badge, young boy tweaking, put on your mask. Hey, what you got coming for the fans, man? Give me a little insider.
April 30th, shit. Some type of car event going down in Houston. I'm gonna pop out to that bitch.
So.
9 times out of 12.
Yeah, I heard the man.
But yeah, I'll probably be at the car event on April 30th. I'll let y'all know. I'll let y'all know ahead of time if we're gonna be there, you know what I'm saying? Show up, we'll bring that fast shit out, you know what I'm saying? We gonna pull off in that motherfucker.
High speed, take on back, What's your letter to the county jail? Not from the county jail,
letter to the county jail, man. Free my nigga D, man. Hey. He gonna be on a long way, but shit, you know, we keep that nigga fed in that bitch every day, every week.
Fuck the county jail.
Alright, it's close enough.
Hey, tell the kids at home, man, if you can't do the crime, if you can't do the time, don't do the motherfucking crime, nigga. Cause that's where you gonna be at, right there.
If that shit worth it.
If that shit worth it, hey, that's up to y'all, you feel me?
You know what I'm saying? I ain't telling nobody to go do
I can't tell you how to live your life, you feel me?
walked out that bitch with a duffel bag like this, man. Hey.
You that nigga too.
Hey, congratulations.
Nah, for real. Tell me what you got on, bitch.
Man, we got all types of shit on. All types of drip on this shit, man. Man, I don't even, what's that nigga name? Warren Lotus, nigga. Y'all ain't got this. Mr. Warren shit. Matching the base, nigga. My stylist put this on me.
Purple tail.
My stylist put this on me, nigga.
Nah, for real. Shout out to old girl at the Pure Store. What's her name?
Stylist.
Stylist 1. Fuck so much. Bro got a real life stylist on you people. Fuck love. Turn up, fuck. Wait, make that.
You got shit to do with it. 4 years ain't picked up.
Fuck you, man.
Shit, my life right after that.
You ain't playing. Fuck is you talking about, nigga? Why am I sitting there recording on some hoe ass shit? Yeah, not my Instagram, bro. My shit straight bullshit. Making me gotta go to my iPhone shit. That's still gonna be clear. And I got the camera, nigga. Yeah, what's up, nigga? What's up? What you gonna do, nigga? This hoe need to get the fuck out the way, bro.
K-Band.
What you want, nigga?
Rear K-Band.